My name's Thomas Cody. I've been a member of Conexxus for about 10 years when it was PCATS. I work for Sunoco LP. We're one of the largest fuel distributors with our own brand, the Sunoco brand, and we're multi-branded. What do I get out of Conexxus? The educational seminars are always good to know. I learn new information all the time. The working groups knee-deep in the mobile working group and the loyalty working group, and those schemas that are out there have helped us tremendously in getting a product to market in a reasonably short time frame and given us the flexibility to switch between vendors because everyone's using the same standard.
I'm Mark Holloway with Hammer Williams Jiffy Trip. We joined Conexxus about 10 years ago, and we originally joined for credit product codes so that we could import and export data into and out of our back office. And since then, every year we have learned more and more, working with peer companies, working with vendors, working with technologists from industries not just ours, to make our business better. It's important to always be improving, and being part of this organization lets us do just that.
Good afternoon. My name is Sean Gately. I'm the VP of Security Solutions for Bluefin Payment Systems. We're a validated point-to-point encryption service provider. The reason I would say that Conexxus is a valuable organization, especially when you come to meetings like this, is that we have some of the most brilliant people that we have in the industry that have an opportunity to collaborate, not only from a partnership and merchant perspective and service provider, but also competitors have the opportunity to sit down and have conversations. More importantly, I think, is the point that gets made the most here is not what the problems we're facing today, but also the opportunities that we're coming towards to tomorrow. And by having all of this expertise get together at once, it really helps facilitate the advancement of our industry's interests and needs. And being able to meet, network, and work with other people in our industry is invaluable, not only to me and my organization, but I think all members of Conexxus.
Ted Mason with the National Grocers Association Foundation Technical Assistance Center, and first-time attendee to the Conexxus conference, and been a tremendous experience to be able to explore avenues for solutions to technology challenges that are facing all types of retailers, regardless of the channel that you may participate in selling food or convenience or so on and so forth. But happy to be here and have enjoyed meeting new friends, new people, new solution providers. It's an awesome opportunity to find out what's going on in retailing and looking forward to participating again in the future. So glad to be here, and encourage anybody who is considering joining and participating with Conexxus to be sure and jump in. It will be well worth your time and investment.
I'm Roy Austin with Parkland USA, and this was my first Conexxus conference. And having been in the industry for over 25 years, you always hear the terminology of Conexxus standards brought up, but it was really interesting to get to see the vendors and the retailers get to come together in these committees and how they work to come up with standards and get everything so that everything is aligned in one group. It really motivated me to want to join some of the committees so that I can have input into what an industry standard is going forward.